Hello everyone, I'm Shaoyang. Today's video is gonna be a cook with me vlog. Today is 25th April 2020 and I'm quarantined in the UK by myself right now. The whole country is under lockdown because of the coronavirus and almost all the restaurants are closed like McDonald's, noodles, Greeks, as well as all the Asian restaurants. It's been over a month by now, so I'm really craving for Chinese food. I really miss Chinese restaurants. So today I'm going to make Chinese food myself. I'm gonna make an authentic dish which is from my hometown, Shanxi province. It's called hot oil noodles. What's so good about hot oil noodles is not only the mouth-watering smell and taste, but the easy and quick process as well. If you are familiar with the process, you can literally make your noodles in 10 minutes. So if you are also miss Chinese restaurants and you are interested in hot oil noodles, just keep on watching. First of all, let's go to an Asian supermarket for grocery shopping. We are gonna need some leafy vegetables today. I'm using this Chinese cabbage, white chai. Also, grab some garlic and spring onion. These two babies are essential ingredients for Chinese cooking. And don't forget to pick up our noodles. As for the condiments, we are gonna need dark vinegar, light soy sauce, and chili powder. Alright, let's wash our hands and start to cook. The first step is chop our garlic and spring onion to small pieces. Then grab some noodles and put them into boiling water and bring it up to boil again. Remember to stir them occasionally in case of the noodles sticks together. In the meantime, using 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to make our unique seasoning sauce. When the noodle is about to ready, drop the boiled chai to blanch for 1 minute. Then grab them out and pop them into the serving dish. Now it's time to add our ingredients on top of the noodle. Some chili powders depending on how hot you like it. Also our chopped garlic and spring onion. If you would like more flavor, you can always add some salt and sesame as well. Then it comes to the most important step of this dish. Heat up some oil, and when you can see smoke coming off the pot, it means the oil is ready. Pour the hot oil onto our toppings immediately to bring out the aromatic flavor of our ingredients. And have some patience to give it a good mix. Finally, 3, 2, 1. Here comes my dinner! Oh my god, it smells so good! And I can't stop salivating. Finally, time to eat! This is the best meal I've ever had after the outbreak of coronavirus. I literally finished the whole dish in less than 15 minutes. If you guys want to try this out, please click on the description below to check the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.